Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2016 Audi A4. So from any screen, you've got the controller here, you've got menu, and you can turn the menu to telephone, or you can just click telephone back here. If you click telephone there, you've got connect to mobile phone, and you've got a plus over here. If I knock it across there, you'll see connection manager, Wi-Fi settings, telephone settings. So we'll go to connection manager. Phone not connected. So we'll just click on that, and there you go. You'll see connect new device or Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, and there's no tick in here, and there's a plus here. So we'll knock the controller across there, display Bluetooth profiles, delete Bluetooth device, delete Bluetooth device. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A4. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It's already come up, Audi MMI. So if I click on there, we'll see what happens, if it brings anything up on the screen. It's thinking about it. There you go, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, the Bluetooth device is requesting to connect to the MMI, accept or decline. Click in the center to accept. There's the pin code 478075. It's unlikely it's going to be anything else unless there's another car in the car park. So click accept and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow a password must be entered for the data transfer. That's something to do with the Wi-Fi system. So I'm just ignoring that at the moment. The connection has been established. Barry's iPhone 12 is connected to the MMI. Would you like to set Audi Connect up now? I think that's the app. And let's just see, Audi MMI there, connected. That's the other car I'm using at the moment. So I'm going to say no to would you like to set up connected. So that's it. That's how you pair a mobile. I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile or stream music from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A4. So if we go to music, that's the record playing at the moment, and you see there at the bottom, if I click on there, oops, sorry, click on there again, Audi MMI 6974, there's a tick next to it. If the tick's next to iPhone, just touch it, that's it, tick. Once the tick's there, any audio that plays through this on your mobile, whether it be Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Prime, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, will play through the audio system. So if I go back here, I'm going to turn it down, click play. Then we go over to the system, and you've got radio and media here. So if I click back media, you'll see there it's already playing, it's already connected on there because that's on Bluetooth audio. But if it's not, if you come to it and you see there media selection, let's just click to, you perhaps come to it and it's got auxiliary. So all you do is click the media button again until you get to Bluetooth. And there you go. So now anything that plays through here, I'll turn this up and then turn this up. That's it. That's how you play music through the system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2016 Audi A4. So from any screen, you've got nav and map over here. You've also got, if you go to menu, you can turn it to navigation somewhere. There you go, navigation, map. So navigation, but equally you just press nav there. So two presses is map, one press is navigation. Where do you want to go to? Where would you like to go to? So we select that, where would you like to go to? I'm going to try putting the postcode in. So P, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR, and now we need numbers. So we'll go across there, select numbers, click numbers, and it's PR5, 4. We need to go back to the letters, E, A, Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston PR5 4EA. So that's it here. If I just knock the thing back and I turned it then, but if I knock it back and then click select, start route guidance, start. It's showing me the fastest or 3 different routes. I'm going to select the first one. So that's it. Thanks for watching.